Your Majesty the King, I have the honor to present this key, and with it, the freedom of our city.
Your Honor, I desire to express our keen appreciation of your kind and generous words of welcome for the gift of the freedom of your city and for this most friendly reception by the citizens of White Plains and Harrison. To live for some months at this green springtime of the year in this beautiful county, in so spacious and restful a home, and surrounded by friendly and sympathetic people, will make our stay in America one long to be remembered. The courtesies and kindnesses that have been shown to us here